Let's see if I can change this. Make it a little better. It's a little better. So I don't know if you can tell, but my eye got pretty fucked up yesterday because of allergies. And with all the animals denied. Don't even come over here. Don't even do it. Stay over there. Thank you. Yeah, so I got really fucked up yesterday. I thought I was gonna try this thing where I didn't take any Zyrtec for a week, just to see if I was actually allergic to Ronin or not. I made it 3 days without taking any Zyrtec before that got fucked up. So yesterday I took 2 Zyrtecs, and today I took 1. Cut back to 1. And unfortunately, I'm out of E-fluid. I ordered more Saturday. Yeah, it's hump day, which means it's Wednesday, which means it's 5 days later. 2-day delivery, my ass. Thank you, FedEx. Thank you, Storm Juno, Winter Storm Juno, for the supposed 18 to 24 inches that we were going to get. We might have been lucky to get 6. But because the Weather Channel wanted to blow it out of proportion, roads were closed, which meant no transportation, which meant no mail, which means I didn't get my... But I'll get it sooner or later. Probably Friday. I paid, what was it, like $15 for 2-day delivery, and I'm almost at a week. I would have been better off just doing regular old postage. I'm not answering it, no one's home. Leave a voicemail. I'm not going to get it. Mom went to go check on Joe. I am just chilling. Don't know what that was. I'm sure Mom will sort it out. We've been purging, getting rid of stuff, and my task for today is to look up moving prices for up to £1,000 for White Plains to St. Petersburg. Getting closer. I wish it would slow down so I didn't have to worry. Because by the looks of it, I'm going to be moving to Florida. I'm not too sure how I feel about that. It's whatever. I'm going to have to make some serious decisions relatively soon. Whether I'm going to continue playing Rift or not. I want to. I do. I don't want to give it up. I've probably dropped close to $1,000 on Rift already. I like it. I have fun. It's a challenge. I'm not able to spend nearly as much time as I used to on it. Mom doesn't like it. My insurance should kick in this weekend, which means Monday I go and start taking care of a whole bunch of shit. Still haven't gotten my disability card, which meant I can't go to school. Not for free, at least. So I'll get my health taken care of first. And we'll go from there. You know? My breakfast, my snack. Generic Apple Jacks, basically. I haven't gotten on the Xbox in probably over a month. Just sits there and collects dust. Did I take it to GameStop? Trade it in for $30. Considering if I traded in everything, games, controllers, everything, I might make $50. Probably cost me in upwards of 500. Think that's retarded. Think that's stupid. I don't want to do it. But it's another one of those decisions I might have to make. Mom wants me to start chipping in for groceries. I said I would, so I'm going to try to be as much of a man of my word as I can. Probably $20-30 a week. But if I go $30 a week, it's $120 a month. I only get $620. So it cuts me down to $5. And she wants me to save up to get an apartment. Yeah. I mean, if I save up all $500 every month, I might get an apartment later this year in Florida. I don't know. And go without extra entertainment. Go without a cell phone. Oh, my bad. I've got that. Piece of shit. Whatever. Fuck. So I'm gonna save at least 80% of everything I make every month. No, at least 60%, because I'll have to spend about 20%, 20-30% alone. So save at least 60%. Try to aim for 70. If I can put aside $450 every month. And then if I get my back pay, which I don't think it'll be 2,000 this time. I think it'll be, I want to say slightly, but I honestly think it'll be a lot less. I think I'll be lucky to pull 1,000. It's just 1,000. But that's extra money that I can put aside, which will help me in the long run. It'll suck moving to Florida. I'm saying adios to all my friends, because it's just that much further. Bus ticket from New York, from White Plains, New York, Toledo, Ohio, 100. You know, give or take $20. I might find one for 80 something. Might find one for 130 something. But that's from New York to Ohio. From Florida to Ohio, it jumps up. $250, $300. I don't have that kind of money to spend. So, it's whatever. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're watching these, I got a new playlist. Well, it's not really a playlist. It is a song, a playlist. A bunch of music that is in a continual loop. So, but it's chill step. So, it's kind of peaceful, kind of zen. I like it. So, it's whatever. Well, we're at 14:05, so it's good. We'll close this one down. Everyone out there, take it easy. Deuces. Stay safe. Laugh. Enjoy your life. Till next time. Peace out.